Hello broskis and welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. And if you're new here, I'm Erkin and this is the life of a broski, where of course I bring you sneakers, a lifestyle, and more waffle than Captain Birdseye. Now something completely different to what I normally review, and as you can tell by the title, by the thumbnail, and what I'm wearing, I'm actually reviewing the Galatasaray football shirt. And of course, if you are interested in copying this shirt, I will leave some links down below in the description box, so check it out. Now as you can see behind me, that is the home kit from last year, and I was contemplating getting the away kit because the home kit just looked too similar. But when I saw this kit come out, I was like, yes, take my lira, just take my money. Now of course I am going to talk about the pricing, how it fits, how it feels, and of course, like I do with my sneaker reviews, I am going to see whether this is a buy or a buy. Now this Galatasaray football top is of course the third alternative kit, and it is made from 100 recycled polyester, which of course makes this a lot more breathable. It does consist of the Nike dry fit technology, which Nike claim helps keep you dry and comfortable. Now this particular shirt is a standard fit for a nice, relaxed and easy feel. The accents that I really do like on this shirt is of course the contrast between the oranges and the blacks. Now Galatasaray's badge has always been the orange and red, but with the black background on the badge, it just looks a lot nicer. The black Nike swoosh with the orange outline alongside the blackened collar just gives it that more athletic look. So there is a mixture of different contrasts of orange, and I just love the different gradients all across this shirt. On pictures I really felt it didn't look as good to when I tried this on. The fit is a lot better than some other shirts, and I am in this weird place of between a medium and a large, but I did go for the large and it fits just right. Now broskis, this being £55 on Nike.com, I've got to say the pricing is actually not that bad. Some of the other football shirts on there go right up to £100. In all the football shirts that have come out this year, of course my English team being Arsenal, their kits this year are actually top notch. Now of course Nike are using that recycled polyester on this shirt, and I've got to say I'm actually impressed. Normally polyester is a very heavy material, which of course sacrifices that breathability, but this shirt doesn't have that problem. I could actually wear this when I'm playing football, at the gym, or out on a hot summer's day. But overall for breathability, I am gonna give a solid 9. Now when it comes to the fit and the comfort of this shirt, for me personally it's always a hit and miss when I order a medium or a large. I'm sort of in between, so sometimes when I order a large it comes up too baggy, and if I go for a medium it comes up too tight. But I went for the large with this shirt, and the fit of this shirt is just what I want. It has that nice and slender look. It's got enough room to breathe, but it's not too baggy. So when it comes to the fitting and comfort, out of 10, I'm gonna go a solid 9. The only slight niggle that I do have is the lack of cuffed sleeves. I feel like there's a bit too much room on the sleeves, but that's nothing a little gym won't fix. So broskis, overall, is this shirt a buy or a buy? Now for me, buying football shirts was very much an addiction. Every year I'd buy the Arsenal kit home and away, I'd buy the Turkey kit, and of course the Galatasaray one. So I had tons and tons of football shirts. But over the years I've had to cut down. I've given a few away, so I was very hesitant to buy some more. But I've got to say I'm very happy with this purchase. The different shades of orange on this shirt, alongside the contrast of the blacks, and of course the breathability and fit. One of the nicest shirts I've ever bought when it comes to football shirts. So of course I'm gonna give a buy. But broskis, let me know what you think. Even if you're not a fan of Galatasaray, would you wear this shirt? Is the £55 price tag too much, or would you cop? Leave all your comments down below, and of course I will be pinning the best one. But anyways broskis, that's enough from me. I do hope you liked this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course until the next episode, take care.